Imagine a world where robots work side by side with humans, taking over repetitive tasks, enhancing productivity, and redefining innovation. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, promises to bring that future closer than ever. What makes this robot so revolutionary? Let's dive into the incredible details of Tesla Optimus, the robot designed to transform industries and daily life. Tesla Optimus, unveiled by Elon Musk in 2021, is not just another robot. It's a humanoid designed to mimic human form and function. Standing 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing around 125 pounds, this robot is built to seamlessly integrate into our human-centered world. Optimus isn't just about aesthetics. It's a symbol of Tesla's ambition to revolutionize robotics with cutting-edge artificial intelligence and engineering. Elon Musk has often emphasized Tesla's mission, accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. With Optimus, he takes it a step further, freeing humanity from mundane and repetitive tasks. Whether it's on an assembly line or in your home, Optimus is envisioned to handle jobs that many find tedious or physically demanding. Let's talk about the features that make Optimus unique. 1. Human-like dexterity. With flexible joints and advanced motor systems, Optimus can mimic human movements, allowing it to handle objects of various shapes and sizes. 2. Advanced AI. Powered by Tesla's full self-driving AI, Optimus processes real-world data in real time, navigating spaces with precision. 3. Efficient power system. The robot runs on a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, giving it hours of operational time. 4. Safety design. Optimus is programmed to move at a safe speed of 5 miles per hour and can lift up to 20 kilograms, ensuring it operates within human-friendly parameters. The potential applications of Optimus are virtually endless. Imagine a factory where robots assemble parts tirelessly, or a hospital where they deliver supplies to nurses. In homes, Optimus could take over chores like cooking, cleaning, and organizing, making life easier for busy individuals. In agriculture, logistics, and retail, Optimus could redefine the way businesses operate. But bringing Optimus into everyday life is not without challenges. 1. Cost. Making such advanced technology affordable for consumers will be a significant hurdle. 2. Technical limitations. AI still struggles in unpredictable environments, and teaching Optimus to handle these situations will take time. 3. Ethical concerns. As robots become more capable, questions about job displacement and ethical boundaries will need to be addressed. What sets Tesla apart in the robotics race is its expertise in AI, engineering, and energy efficiency. Optimus benefits from years of research into Tesla's autonomous driving technology. With access to Tesla's vast data collection network and advanced neural networks, Optimus is equipped to evolve faster than most other robots in development today. Looking ahead, Tesla Optimus is expected to become a game changer. Elon Musk envisions robots not only in industries, but also in personal spaces. Imagine robots helping elderly individuals, assisting in disaster zones, or even working alongside astronauts in space missions. The possibilities are endless. Tesla Optimus has the potential to reshape society. By taking over repetitive tasks, humans can focus on creativity, innovation, and personal growth. While it's still in the early stages, Optimus symbolizes hope for a future where humans and robots coexist to achieve incredible feats together. Are we on the brink of a robotics revolution? With Tesla Optimus leading the charge, the answer might be yes. Let us know in the comments, what task would you want Optimus to handle for you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious.